Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I thought I would do a get ready with me. I just got out of my shower and did my hair. Well, I haven't done my hair, but I put the stuff in my hair, and I'm wearing my poncho for the first time, and I think it's cute. I think I like it. Now it doesn't go down very far, so I still have a shirt underneath it, of course, but I think it's all right. It might be cuter on the thinner body, but honestly, I think that anybody can wear it. And I really like it. I am proud of myself. I like all of the patterning. I almost wish that and I love turtlenecks, but I almost wish that this one wasn't so big, only because you can't see all of the different color work inside of it. So I'm kind of debating on whether or not to fold it in a little bit so you can see some of that pink or it's coral really, but I really like it. And for those of you that are wondering about the yarn, it is very nice, but it is warm. So it's wool, so it's warm, and it's a little bit itchy comparatively. I do not have a turtleneck underneath it. I probably should have a turtleneck underneath it. I think I'll get used to it. I don't think it'll be too itchy to wear. But this particular yarn is a little bit itchy, and you can see it has some color work in there as well. So I love it. I do. I love it. I'm wondering if I don't remember if I did short rows or not to make it like one side is bigger than the other, or like fits differently than the other. I might turn it around and see if it fits differently the other way, but I think I like it better with the collar turned in like that, so you can at least see a little bit of the color work on the sides. And I guess in the front, depending on how you're looking at me. But yeah, that's neither here nor there, but that's that. So I'm going to go ahead and start getting ready. I just thought I would do a chatty get ready with me while I was doing this. It is Saturday, February 2nd. January was certainly a long year, but we made it. I saw that on a meme and I put it on my Instagram, and I'm saying it now because January was a hard month, but we made it. I mean, there were some great things too. So, what'd you guys think about January? We still have snow on the ground, but it's supposed to be warm. The temperatures have been crazy. It was like the lowest temperature it had ever been in like 25 years. So it was like negative 33 degrees wind chill. So that means it felt like that, but the temperature wasn't actually measuring that, but it felt really cold like that. And then today it's supposed to be in the almost 50s. So it's crazy how it's gone. So this actually might even be too warm to wear today, especially since it's coming from such cold temperatures to warm temperatures. I might feel like, oh my gosh, I'm burning hot. Right now, I feel a little warm, so we'll see. And I feel like there's a hair in my mouth. And I can't seem to get it. So I just wear It Cosmetics. Well, I use It Cosmetics for my cleaning. So I used Clinique soap on my face in the shower. And then I'm using the Miracle, hold on, I'll tell you what it is so you guys can see, because I know sometimes people are interested. Miracle Water by It as my clarifying lotion, and then as my moisturizer I use the Confidence in a Cream. And this stuff seems to last a long time, which is nice. And I use it rather generously. I don't even think about it, I just use it, so that's a good thing. Alright, so now I'm going to use some IT CC cream. This is an SPF of 50. It's your skin but better CC plus illumination, color correcting, illuminating full coverage cream. And then I just use an IT brush. People asked about my brushes last time, which I thought was interesting because I just buy them with the stuff. I don't even really pay much attention. I don't know a ton about brushes, except for I know that mine are dirty and I do need to clean them. And I have had that on my list for a little bit now. I do use the same brushes for the same thing. Like, I only use this one for that cream, and if I'm using a different foundation, I use a different brush. It's weird. Even though this is a foundation brush and I can use it for any foundation, I'm very particular. So I have a lot of brushes. And I usually either use this IT or this one, which is Bye Bye Foundation. And I don't really know the difference. And I can't really tell the difference. It just kind of depends on which one I'm grabbing. This one is smaller, so if I'm going somewhere, I usually will travel with the smaller one. Or sometimes I will travel with this, which is Confidence in a Compact. And I don't use foundation in this. I just use this. I don't know if I should use foundation in this. I don't know. This seems like foundation to me, so that's how I use it. So sometimes when I'm traveling, I use that. I used to just use that, so I have, I think, 2 backups of that, so I need to use it a little more, but I kind of like the liquid foundation a little bit better. And I put it everywhere. I don't care. Okay, then I usually go ahead and put on my lips because this has to dry, but it doesn't really matter. But I mean, it does matter that it dries, but it doesn't matter what order you do it in. But this is CoverGirl, the 24-hour. And I use the number, oh goodness, I don't know if I'll be able to read it without my glasses. 860. Anywhere in there, those numbers are the ones that I like best. So now I'm going to put on, I don't always use Bye Bye Pores, but I'm going to use that next. And it's supposed to like take away some of the like oily spots, and I don't really have a lot of oily spots. I'm dry, but that's all right. I'm using this fun brush that came with it, and I love it. So it is by IT. I got it from QVC. I know I got one of my foundations at Ulta, and then I got another one at, I think, QVC or Sephora, one of the two. I go to Sephora when I'm in Chicago. We have one here in Indianapolis, and I've been to that one once, but I don't usually like to go to the mall too much, so I order stuff online, and I enjoy, I don't know what this is. Oh, that's more, oh, that's powder foundation. I'm like, I don't even know what that is. I enjoy getting things online. I don't know if that's where I was going with that, but, oh, and I kind of like QVC too. They have, sometimes when it is featured as a daily feature, you can get a pretty good deal. So this is Bye Bye Pores by IT. This is Sweet Cheeks color. It's blush. This, I don't know, this did not come with this blush. So this is not an IT brush. This is a Crown brush. I think I got this in one of my monthly sample boxes. I think that this is, looks like, okay, so I'm going to use some of this Baked Bronzer by Milan. I don't know why, but it's just kind of fun. Since you guys are hanging out with me, I'm going to go all out. I am going out with my friend Lisa today. We are going to get some coffee at Dunkin' Donuts. She wants to try the blueberry coffee. And we're going to go to Michael's because they're having a great sale. So I'm going to pick her up after a little while. And we're going to go paint the town pink. And so now let's go ahead and move on to my eyes. And I have been cheating lately and just making it super easy on myself. I'm using this Luna highlighter as a base. And I just take my eyeshadow brush. This is a Glamour Dolls brush. Again, I think it was a sample either from Ipsy or from BeautyCon or from, oh, what's Beauty Box? Is that the name of it? The boxes that BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm or Ipsy, I believe, or Ipsy. So I just put that down and call it a day. And then I take this from Ulta Beauty, and it is Beauty Queen, and it is like an eyeshadowy, weird, lip glossy looking, it's not lip gloss, it's eyeshadow, but it has a weird applicator. I don't know if you can hear the sirens, but something is going on. And I just put it on the edges of my eye like that. And then I take an eyeshadow brush that has long bristles, and this one is just blending in brush. And I literally just blend it in, so it's a good brush, good name for that. I count to 10 or 20 when I'm doing it just because I'm weird, but I don't know. Like, I like to do it at least, honestly, at least 20 times this way on my crease, and then I will go up, and I'll go down. But that's what I do, and then I just kind of do this. And I know I'm not giving anyone a tutorial. I am not an expert in this at all. I just am bringing you guys along because I think it's fun to watch people put on makeup sometimes, and I may as well tell you what I'm doing as I go. So then I'm going to use some eyeliner, and this is called Sex Kitten. This was definitely in one of my boxes. It's by Tarte, and I like it a lot. It is nice. So you just roll it up, and it's like a gel. I think that's what it says. It's gel, but I don't know. It goes on like a pencil liner. And I just do the top part. Somebody said, do the waterline. I just particularly am not crazy about that way it feels. So if that works for you, you go right ahead. I don't do the cat eye thing either. I just can't seem to figure that out. So I just put it right on my eyelid, just like that. And then after that comes mascara. And I use two different mascaras, and I just pull it out of my drawer. So whichever two I grab are the two I grab. This one is Double Decker by Butter of London. And the first one that I pull out, I put on the top and the bottom. Something on my face right there. Alright, so then I have mascara on the top and bottom. So then I grab another one, and this one is Tartiest by Tarte, and I just do the top. Why I do it like this, I can't really answer that. I use two because somebody I watched online, she says that she uses two. But I don't know if she uses two on the top and the bottom, or just, I used to not even put any on the bottom, so I guess that's why I just do one. I don't know, I'm weird. But it gets the job done. So there is my mascara. Actually, that's like my full face. And I'm just going to put on the top coat of this lip gloss, or lipstick. If you guys haven't used this CoverGirl stuff, this 24-hour, I think it's called Outlast, it is fabulous. It is a 2-part thing, so it comes with the lips color and then this. And I don't know, it does last all day for me. As long as I don't put anything else on my lips. If I were to put lip gloss on now or something different, it does sometimes come off, so you have to be careful of that. But so now I am going to blow dry my hair at least a little bit. So I'm going to put you on fast forward because you don't want to hear all that. Okay, so my hair's kind of crazy, but I just cut it this morning. So it's a lot shorter than it was, and I put some layers in it, so I might need to do a few more over here. I'm not sure yet, but I kind of like it. It's all right. So this is me. And I have on some cute socks. I'm going to show you that my friend Lisa gave to me. Yay! I don't know what shoes I'm going to wear yet. I want to wear comfy shoes because we are going to be shopping a little bit, so I don't want to wear heels or anything like that. No, I will maybe wear boots or tennis shoes. I'm not sure which. Like I have little like Sketcher tennis shoes, or can't get my bracelet on. There we go. So this is me.